Hello everybody, today I have something really cool to share with all of you. So this is an interesting package. This is from a company called Tru-Tone bulbs. They're based on Michigan, and I reached out to them and they sent me this. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. But before I open it, I just wanted to show how much attention to detail they put here. I mean, they even put little dashes on where to cut it. It's really sad that I have to cut it because I actually really like this design and the tape, but that's the only way to get into it, so we're going to do that. Of course, be careful with scissors and sharp objects. Oh, is this one of those that opens like this? I thought some of them fold down. This one folds this way. So let me put these away. Here we go. Ooh. Oh, they got some fancy packaging. Oh my gosh. What is this? Look, it even has a little strand. Oh my. This is so cool. Wow. Okay. Finally, LED Christmas bulbs that look just like vintage incandescent. That is so cool. Oh my goodness. This is way cooler than I thought than what they were going to send me. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, I love this little printout here. Ooh, it's made on some really nice cardstock paper. Of course, they have C7 and C9. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, look what's underneath. Oh, this is so cool. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it. They even made a little strand for it. Oh, that's so awesome. Wow. Oh my gosh, and there's the wow, a big thank you to them for sending this to me. This is so cool. Look, it even has a plug on it. Oh, look at the packaging. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, got a little damaged in shipping. That's okay. We will fix it. Oh, look at that. Look at those awesome bulbs. That is so cool. Look at little filament LEDs in there. Oh, the colors are so rich and deep. That is awesome. Just got some little packaging material. Look at this. Oh, they put so much time into this. I'm smiling so big. Like, wow. Just how much time they put into something like this. I can't get over it. This maybe is what they send to like stores and stuff, for example. That is so cool. Look at the little strand they made. Oh, like they obviously put time into finding a place to make this, or maybe they made it by hand, and it's all printed on this wonderful cardstock. Look at the tag on it. Excuse me. Look at, it fell off. That's my fault. That is so cool. I'll have to put that back on there. And then obviously these are the coated versions. They have a name for them. Of course, this is a Jeweltone. You know what? I shouldn't even be saying they have a name for them. They put all this wonderful stuff here. Classicolor. That is awesome. Oh, that's so cool. Wow, a huge thank you to Tru-Tone, for real, for sending this for me to look at. This is so awesome. Of course, just the, I don't know, you just gotta look at it and appreciate this. They put so much time into this. That's awesome. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, I just wanted to unbox it first because I thought it would be a really cool experience. and this was way cooler than I thought it was going to be. So this is going to be the first of a couple videos, because what I'm planning on doing is taking these and comparing them with some wonderful traditional incandescents, and the same with these awesome Jeweltone bulbs. I mean, look at that. Look at that. That is so, like, traditional. I mean, I think GE had this style of box. I'm sure other companies did too, like Westinghouse, but they even put the little cutouts to see the bases. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, I'm repeating myself a lot, but I just can't get over. Oh my gosh, they're fully dimmable. That is awesome. That is, again, a huge thank you to Tru-Tone for this. So, I didn't even realize this until I was taking a closer look at the inside of the box, but there's something else in here. So we got a taped up bulb. Let's see what's inside. Oh, look at that, it's a clear one. Oh, awesome. Now you can really see the inside. That is so cool. How awesome is that? Like I said, we're gonna have a separate video of the Classicolor, because I want to use the names right, and a video of the Jeweltone. So look forward to that. I just want to do an unboxing. So here we go. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Tru-Tone for sending this for me to take a look at. These are so cool. And look forward to the other videos. Thanks for watching.